Hello YouTube, how to eat fruits and berries in the summer to get the most benefit. The nutritionist told why fruits and berries should not be abused and what effect they have on our body. Fruits and berries are perhaps the most favorite plant food in autumn and summer. They, like vegetables, contain vitamins with minerals, water, ascorbic acid with antioxidants, and dietary fiber. But fruits and berries are sweet. The very content of simple carbohydrates, glucose and fructose, which give this sweetness, limits their amount in the daily diet. Why, you ask? However, the explanation is simple. The more ordinary carbohydrates in our diet, no matter what source they come from, the greater the possibility of converting them into fats. And fats, as you know, are deposited in the depot, which not only increases the size of our clothes, but also harms our health. For the same reason, it is not recommended to get involved in fruit and berry juices in the summer. First, the amount of simple carbohydrates in a glass of fruit juice is more than you can get from the recommended daily allowance of fruit. For example, from one apple you can get 50 to 70 milliliters of juice, so there will be more than one apple in a glass of juice. Especially if sugar is also added to the juices. Secondly, when preparing juice from fruits and berries, a valuable part is removed, dietary fiber. In summer, it is much more useful to use smoothies from a mixture of vegetables and herbs with a small addition of fruits and berries. You can eat any fruits and berries. It is important to observe the measure. The ratio of vegetables and fruit and berry parts with a balanced diet should be approximately 2 to 1. If the norm of vegetables is 400–500 g, then fruits and berries can be eaten 200–250 g. Fruits, berries and vegetables quench thirst well in the heat, and they do it better than any drinks with sweeteners. They not only help maintain water balance, but thanks to dietary fiber, they bind and remove metabolic products from the body. Often we like to snack on fruits. And we notice that after such snacks you want to eat very quickly. And then watch out, fridge. This is due to the fact that fruits and berries are easily and quickly digested. They also contain a large amount of organic acids that have entered the stomach, irritate its walls, increase its secretory function and the pancreas. This action of them can not only aggravate appetite, but also cause pain. It is better to eat fruits and berries before the main meal. Or combine with cereals, fermented milk products, add to vegetable salads. In addition to eating them fresh, they can be used in the form of sauces for meat, fish and poultry. It is better to consume sweeter fruits during the daytime so that the sugars contained there, glucose, fructose, can be utilized and not stored as fat. Heat treatment reduces the content of vitamins in fruits and berries. Therefore, it is always better to eat fresh fruits than to cook compotes and jams, which, moreover, will have a large amount of sugar. Just like vegetables, fruits and berries can be frozen. Eating them in winter will increase the biological value of food. Control the content of other sources of fructose and glucose, honey, dried fruits, confectionery, to reduce the risk of excess simple carbohydrates in the diet. Choose your fruit plate as needed, based on your health condition. For example, with gastritis with high acidity, sour berries and fruits should not be consumed, and with obesity and diabetes, sweet ones. The use of fruit juices, sweet compotes and large amounts of fruits is a risk factor for gout. Excess fructose can increase uric acid production and contribute to the formation of kidney stones. Add fruits and berries to your daily diet. You will make food varied, tasty and healthy. And not only in autumn or summer. Just know the measure. Thank you for your time and attention listening to me. Don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe to our channel. You can also click the bell sign to be informed about new videos. Have a great day.